Congratulations on your decision to purchase an OmniFlex Space Saver system from QuickStart. In this video, we'll cover the process of assembling your system and getting ready to start cleaning. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. To begin, open the shipping box and locate the user manual on the top of the system. We'll set the manual aside for now as we assemble the system. Now, remove and discard the protective packaging from the vacuum motor. To simplify unboxing, QuickStart recommends that you carefully cut one side of the box and lay it down on the floor. Once the box has been opened, remove the speed spreader scrubber pads and handle and set them aside. We'll assemble them in later steps. Now, roll the Space Saver system out of the open box. Next, remove the vacuum hose from the top of the system and set it aside. Remove the vacuum motor from the tank by loosening the orange clasp on either side of the vacuum tank and lifting it up. The squeegee head is stored in the vacuum tank for shipping purposes. Remove the squeegee head from the tank and set it aside for now. Then, replace the vacuum motor on the tank, securing it in place with the orange clasp on the tank. Now, wrap the extension cord onto the vacuum tank horns on the rear of the system. Then attach the vacuum hose to the vacuum tank and wrap the vacuum hose onto the system. Place the end of the vacuum hose on the orange drip tray located on the vacuum tank horn. Next, we'll assemble the speed scrubber tool. Push in on the lock pins and slide the two pieces together, allowing the pins to lock into place on the upper part of the handle. Now, locate the pad frame in the shipping box. When installing the pad frame, it's very important to align the long edge of the pad frame with the bend in the handle. This provides the smoothest operation when using the speed spreader. To attach the pad frame to the handle, remove the blue lock pin from the frame. Align the long edge of the frame with the bend in the handle and slide the frame onto the handle. Line up the holes in the pad frame and the handle and insert the blue lock pin. Then, twist the collar on the frame to secure it to the handle. Once the frame is attached, place a scrubber pad on the floor and place the pad frame over the top of it, attaching the pad to the frame. Finally, open the accessories box and remove the vacuum wand. Attach the squeegee head to the vacuum wand by loosening the collar and inserting the squeegee head. Now, tighten the collar, securing the squeegee head in place. Your OmniFlex Space Saver is now ready for use. Simply fill the system with cleaning solution and begin cleaning. Please refer to the other video modules in the library for detailed instructions for using your Space Saver system.